outside again.
Hi guys, so I am doing some major closet reorganization and I thought maybe you guys would want to see what I'm doing. I bought some new stuff from Amazon to help me organize and that finally came in the mail like the other day. So I've slowly, you good? Just been sneezing a lot. I don't know what's happening. So what kind of sparked all of this organization was the fact that I wanted to do my bra and underwear drawer. I'm doing laundry, so a lot of my underwear is not in here. So I bought this from Amazon. I will say with this, if your bras are like over an A cup, I don't foresee them fitting in like straight across. So I did have to fold mine over, but that's totally fine. So I have underwear, and then this is like more of like shapewear underwear. And then in this drawer, I did originally have like lingerie, bralettes, and pajamas, but I think I'm going to take like the lingerie and bralettes and try to like squeeze them in one of these things so I can then use these drawer separators for like t-shirts and pants in other drawers here. This one I totally have to go through because it's all not folded anymore and I don't even know what's in there. I don't wear like 80% of the things in there, so those can go to better homes. So I think about like 6 months ago I transferred over not all of, like a lot of makeup that I would use on a daily basis, and then I would just kind of get ready in this area here. But over time I've like added more and more products to this, and it is just overflowing. So from this I took what I think I'm going to mostly use and organize it in here instead. These little inserts here are also from Amazon. This is what they look like. They do like snap together, so you have some variation in those. But I tried to put things that I know I'm going to be reaching for a lot in here. So I have like my Persona contour sticks, which I love, all of my nude sticks, my Glossier. I really love cream products, so I have a lot of those. My Kosas blush duos that I love, you know, bronzers, powders, like everyday eye products, complexion and primer. And then this is a mixture of things that did not fit in these honeycombs standing up. So like brow, concealer, and a couple blushes. The goal is to get rid of the makeup in here and organize it back where the rest of my makeup is, which is in my desk drawers. It's really hard for me to find a good organization method that works for me because I am so visual. If I don't see something like in my sightline, it doesn't exist to me. So I do like to keep my stuff out or in places that I know like it's going to be easily seen, but that's really hard when you have a lot of stuff and it just tends to look like a lot of clutter. So I'm trying to find an organization method that works well for me. So we'll see how this works. Usually it stays organized for like a few weeks and then slowly declines after that. But let's hope this sticks for at least a little longer than that. Oop, getting distracted again, but this is important. I got a message from the doctor. Maybe they have an embryology update for me. Let's see. This is day 5 since egg retrieval. I believe 6 days is the cutoff, so we should have a pretty good idea of how many little cuties made it. 3 blastocysts were biopsied for PGTA and then cryopreserved today. So 3 have reached appropriate maturation is what I'm getting for that. And they're still watching 6 more in culture. So like I said, day 5 is usually, I believe, when most of the embryos will reach like full maturity, but they will in most cases give it until day 6, and then if at that point they don't progress anymore, then they are non-viable. But okay, it looks like we have 3, and then all right, 6 more in the wings. All right, it's not bad. Oh, I gotta call Ben. JK, I forgot he is rounding early today. So we will call him soon when he is done. Also gotta find a good podcast to listen to. Hello guys, we are back. It is the next day. I actually made quite a bit of progress yesterday. Not the only, 'cause there's still a lot left to do, but I did end up emptying out all of this makeup, so I have to organize that in my desk. I added my bikinis up here, which are wonderful. Okay, so we've got some pajamas, some bralettes, and then like lingerie type stuff. And then here I have t-shirts. I still have some more that I have to fold and put away just from like laundry. Like I said, all of this stuff needs to get sorted. I'm sure some of it can be thrown away, honestly, because it's old or, you know, whatever. But like I said, all of my bikinis are here. And then I put shorts and like summery pants in here. And then I didn't finish organizing this yet, but the thought process here is tube tops. I think I'm going to do like full outfit sets here because I have a couple of like comfy and just like cute little summery sets. And then I think I'm gonna try to fit my tank tops in here. I have so many tank tops. I tend to have a ton of like t-shirts and basics because that is usually what I end up wearing. And then the pile has gotten much better over here. This little basket's mostly hair accessories. I'm going to put that back where it was. But what I had to do this morning was run out to Target and get some like storage compression bags. So I did pick up these. Hopefully they will help store my sweaters so they're not so bulky. And then I do have to still go through these drawers here. That is just a mess of everything. My jeans, if you're wondering why I have so many jeans, same. And then also I fluctuate in size like so much with like bloating, especially when I get like my bouts of like endo belly. So the reason I have so many jeans is because they're just purely like all different sizes because I do fluctuate a lot. So I'll swap out the ones that, you know, are a little more wintry as well as like don't fit right now. But I don't know if I'm going to do that today because I am leaving to go back to New York in like 2 days and like just get other stuff done. So the jeans might have to wait. But yeah, so my plan right now is to try to compress the sweaters and stuff. So maybe I can even, you know, fit more stuff in there if I need to. And then just kind of go through these things here to make sure, you know, decide whether or not I'm keeping or giving away or donating. Yeah, so that is the progress thus far. I am pretty happy with it, but let's keep going because we still got lots to do. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys, we got a final update from the embryologist today, and 7 of the 9 have made it to the next round. So yesterday, like I said, there were 3, and then there were 3 that were cryopreserved already, and then the additional 6 they were still watching, and 4 of those 6 have made it past the final boss. And yeah, so now they're gonna get sent out for testing, which is super exciting. So hi guys, welcome back. I don't even know last time I picked up this camera. Summer has just been really crazy. It has gotten away from me. I was working on this room last time I vlogged. I know that. I was organizing. I've been trying to unpack from like a trip, from moving out of the New York apartment, and there's been so much like going on, events, birthdays, graduations, all that stuff. So I am getting back into continuing to organize, I should say, and I've been wanting to put this PR stuff away, just a couple things that I've bought myself that I wanted to show you guys. So let me do that now. I was going to like sit and do this, but I'll just stand. So let's start off with some hair products. I got sent 2 products from Wedod. This is the Curl Quencher Hydrofusion Intense Curl Cream and the Moisturizing Styling Gel. So I'm really excited to try these out. I did pick this up at Ulta from Wedod though. This is the Curl Shaper Take Shape Plumping and Defining Cream, and I love this so far. I have been using this with the Vital gel from Wedod. I will link it below if you guys want to know which one I'm talking about, but really loving that combination. And then from Playa, they did send me their Super Seed Curl Defining Cream. Haven't tried this yet. And yesterday I just received a package from Day, and I've been really excited to try this brand. So this is the Monsoon Moisture Mask right here. Really excited about this. Love the color, the packaging. I'm excited. I have a lot of new hair stuff. Totally forgot I have another hair product that I bought. I cracked down. I broke and I purchased a DevaCurl product. I'm really interested if you guys are going to be retrying DevaCurl. I did discontinue all of like my sponsorships and everything with them when everything happened. Even though I never had any issues with it, I just didn't feel comfortable promoting it. But I want to know if you guys are going to be trying out the new DevaCurl, what you think of the reformulation. If you've tried this product, let me know, or if you've tried any of the other products. I think they did bring back some of the original from the range, but there are newer products, and I don't think they had a mousse, but they had like that volumizing mousse that was more of a foam. So I'm excited to try this out. This is the Super Mousse. It says volumize and for ultimate curl flexibility. So let's see how this works out for us. Let's just continue with what I picked up from Ulta. So Becca, as we know, we're saying goodbye. I thought their products were half off at Ulta, but I guess not. This one that I picked up, and then I wanted it anyway, so it ended up in my bag. But this is the Becca Ipanema bronzer, I think it's called. No, Ipanema Sun. I've heard this is a really nice bronzer. Packaging is A+, but this one is not 50% off, but a nice bronzer nonetheless. I also picked up the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. I have used this. I do really like this. It's very nice. It's very lightweight. I also needed a new brow gel. So from Target, I picked up the Jason Wu Clear Brow Gel. Don't really love it. It's okay, but I just have really heavy eyebrows that don't stay up well, so I need a very strong gel. So then from Ulta, I did pick up the Brow Freeze Styling Wax. I have not used this yet. I have to say I'm a little intimidated, even though I'm someone who uses a brow soap. Literally just looks like clear nothing. So here we have some stuff from Typology, which is a custom skincare brand. So I took their little quiz online and they sent over some of their products for me. So you get a little insert in here explaining the steps of the products. I also got a little cute tote bag, and then I really like the packaging on these products. I think they're really nice. So if you're unfamiliar with my skin type, it is combination oily slash like normal. So they did provide a bar soap cleanser, which I really like bar soap cleansers. They're just very easy to grab and obviously very eco-friendly. And then I did like unbox some of these and use them a bit. But the products look like this. In my routine, I received a micellar water, that bar soap, as I mentioned, and then I have a few different oils. I have a macadamia oil, and these are all things, like I said, that were given to me based off of the quiz that I took online. So your products, if you are interested in trying out Typology, may be totally different. I have an organic peppermint hydrolate. I don't know, I haven't used this one yet. I still have to read the little cheat sheet a little more to like really get the routine down, because I'm not sure of the exact order that they would like these to be used in. I also have a prickly pear botanical oil, but again, I just really love the simplicity of the packaging. I also was given a face moisturizer, zinc, PCA 4%, and bamboo extract. And I was also given 2 different face serums. One is for mattifying and one is for like normal skin. So I, like I said, I have tried out a couple of these products. They seem really nice so far. I will update you guys once I have been using them a little bit longer. And then last but not least, Teddy Blake was super kind to send me a handbag. So these are luxury leather handbags that are made in Italy. They did allow me to choose which bag I wanted, and I'm so excited about it. This is the purse right here. It is absolutely adorable. It does come with a longer strap if you didn't want to hold it like this. 2 little smaller zipper compartments, and then you have the one larger zipper compartment. I think the color is so pretty for summer. I've been obsessed with baby blue, and I don't have any purses this color, so I was very, very excited to receive this. I will link this bag down below if you are interested, want to check it out. I lied, I have one more little package. So my makeup today, I used the Merit Beauty little 5-minute kit. I've really been liking Merit. Also, this bag is absolutely adorable. Like, can we not? So this is their little Minimalist Beauty 5-minute face kit that I used today. Tomorrow I will show you guys how I did this really, really fast face. In this kit I have lip oil, a multitasking minimalist stick so it can be used as like a foundation or a concealer. Also sent over this little blending brush, which is so soft. I love it. A little cheek color, and then we have a mascara and a brow gel, and I'm really impressed with the mascara. I've also been using a lash serum though from Swede that has been working so well. Tomorrow for sure I will show you guys how I do my makeup with this little kit. It's just